Hello friends, good afternoon. So do you wanted to know about the investment, where you can invest, how you can save your amount, and what is the good return you can get without risk, and how can you learn to investing it, what is the website where you can go. So if you wanted to know, please follow this channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the instrument, that is bonds. So how it will work. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is a investment for life. And please do share, subscribe, and hit on bell icon so you will get the upcoming videos. Let us start, and thanks for your support. Whatever I'm getting support and your words means a lot. Thanks a lot. Let us start bonds. Many of investors, many of our Indian investors, we believes in investing share market. We have big capital, and now all are learning how to invest in share market. Share market, how much high return, that much you have high risk. So obviously you require the knowledge, and that I am teaching also. Practically I will come through the system teaching how you can invest, and what is the case studies I will tell you. What is the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, some of the instrument I have to take. That's what I'm waiting for that. So next two videos I'll come with the practical things. Now let us start. Many of investors like to invest in share market because they are ready to take risk, and ready to take high return also. Many of investors like us want to diversify. They want to invest in different instruments like saving banks, but we will get in saving banks very less interest, very less return. Mutual fund also as risk as share market, bit low. Many of want to invest in bonds, gold. So many instruments are there. You can keep your money safe, and you will get less interest with less risk. So now let us start speaking about the bonds. Bonds in India, there are bond market. What is the bond market? How bond market will run in India, and what is the percentage of it? What return will get? Why bonds are in the market, and what is the use of it? How you can segregate the bond? What is the differences of it? And who can issue the bonds? So such kind of basic points I will discuss here. Bonds, okay. Bonds is a fixed return instrument, we call as, because if we take the bond and principal amount, we will get the fixed interest rate, fixed return, and after maturity date we will get our principal amount. With if we are not taking interest monthly basis, we can get when the maturity will finish, maturity date will come, we'll get all the amount. So in India, what is the bond market? In India, very less people invest in the bond, on bond, less than 1%, or it is a very negligible. If compared to the US market and China market, they will invest nearby 50% or more than that. More than share market, they will invest in bonds, because about the knowledge, might be they have more wealth, or might be they will think in the diversification. Even share market also, there is a high investors are there compared to India, because in India, lack of knowledge, they will invest nearby 7 to 10% only invest in the share market. Bond market is very less in India compared to the other countries. So it is a 1% in India or less than that. So bond market, how it will work in India, where you can trade. Who are the issuer of the bond market? The issuer of the bonds might be government, most probably, and corporates. Government required fund for constructing roads, dam, or some other fund. They will issue the bond. They want fund, so for that they will issue the bond, and they are the guarantor. So many of us will take the government bond. Might be maturity years like 1 to 10 years, 1 to 5 years. Based on your capacity, you can take, and you get the fixed interest as well as principal amount after the maturity. So bonds are very safe. corporates. Now corporates, why they will issue the bonds? Because it is a safer and it is a less interest. If they will if corporates go to the share market, they can directly invest, but they won't do that. They have to trade their shares only. They have to go with that. And next, if they go with the loan, bank loans, it is like a high interest rate, like 10%, 12%. More than that, they will go with the bonds. They will issue bonds because they can give 8% interest. Bonds, we will get the return 8%, maximum 7, 8, 9%. So that is less than that. So they will issue the bonds. So issue. After that, corporates also required their money for buying properties, increasing their business. It will work in that. Many of corporates and government bonds are publicly traded. Many of corporates, high level of corporates and governments, publicly they will trade the bonds, and other are they will trade on OTC, over the counter. So there are many kind of advantages and disadvantages of bond. Advantages, you will get fixed return, principal amount, you will get all the principal amount, and profit you will get the there is no risk, you will get profit. Disadvantages, it will be low return, low return bond can yield. So there are a lot of disadvantages also, but if you want to diversify, you can invest in it. Characteristics of bonds. What is the characteristics? Face value, coupon rate, coupon date, the maturity date, the issue price. These are the characteristics, and there are many kind of categories of bonds are there. So whatever the different categories of bonds and varieties of bonds, I will just tell you the name, and in next video I will come with the details of it. Categories of bonds, there are corporate bonds, are issued by the companies. Corporate bonds are there. Municipal bonds are issued by the states and municipalities. Government bonds, such those issued by the US Treasury. So there are corporate bonds, municipal bonds, government bonds, agency bonds, which will come to the government only. These are the categories of bond, 1, 2, 3, 4 categories of bond. And varieties of bonds, there are many varieties of bond: zero coupon bond, convertible bond, callable bonds, putable bonds. So there are different kind of bonds are there. So which bond you can prefer? So which bond you can prefer, I will tell you the coming videos. But bonds is a safety side. You can get the fixed return and principal amount also. There is no harm in that to invest. If you want to invest in different instruments, you can go with the bonds. So bonds are also good, more than saving banks. Keeping your money in saving banks, more than that, bonds are good. So there are many government bonds are there. These are very safe bonds. So what are the bonds are there and where you can invest? I'll come with the practical way, where some of the websites are there where you can open your account. That is a Golden Pie. You can go the website Golden Pie. There you can open your account, and you can register yourself and take the bonds. There are a lot of kind of price values also there, like discount price, at par, and premium. So these details I will come with the practical, how it is, and some practical levels. So if you have any doubts or you want another videos, different instruments or different investment levels, so you can message me in the comment box. If you have any doubt queries also, you can message me in the comment box, so I'll get to know what kind of videos you are expecting, and the remaining part of the bonds I will come with another videos. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for your response and love. Thanks a lot. Bye.